Are there any Africans in Pakistan? Or Karim, if we come to Pakistan as an African, how would we be treated in Pakistan?
There is one thing about Pakistan that I can say Africans should learn. Huyu ndugu yetu huyu, yani mashallah, ametoka first kwa kilomita 200 na 250 kuja Amahoro. Unade kampi. I hope everything they good.
Ki matlab hai thoda yani Punjabi aandi thi?
Aho mainu aandi hai.
Besides you guys, are there any other Africans over here? These guys are big TikTokers in Pakistan. They are very famous. Right now I was there with them. Africans get married to Pakistani.
10 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया.
10 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया है. Oh my God. आपको भाई?
मैं भी तकरीबन 12 साल हो गया पाकिस्तान. In with a white person or whatever the things. My first come say I would be because I know the colonizers. From outside Pakistani, but from inside is African. We अपनी शादी किया?
शादी हुई है.
Yeah shit. मैंने आपकी शादी नाइजीरिया से करवाई. Sorry baby.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's a dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can.
Hey guys, this is Karim again. Hope you guys are fine. Whenever I'm in Uganda or any other African country, people ask me this question a lot. That Karim, are there any Africans in Pakistan? Or Karim, if we come to Pakistan as an African, how would we be treated? And would actually Pakistanis welcome us? Right now I'm in Pakistan and I've got two brothers over here. They're from Africa. Let me introduce you to them. Abiola and Ismail. Assalamu alaikum brothers.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Guys, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm so happy to see Africans in Pakistan.
Mashallah, mashallah.
So Abiola, where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria basically.
And Ismail, you brother?
I'm from Burundi.
Burundi?
Yeah.
I'm heading to Burundi soon.
Oh,
Yes.
Amahoro. I'm a Kurimisyani.
Okay. And I also have Nigerian friends by the way. Any message?
I campi. I hope everything they go well.
Okay. How long you guys have been in Pakistan?
Myself, I've been in Pakistan for over a decade, approximately 12 years.
12 years. Ismail?
A century.
I said.
And some few months. No, just a decade. Same as Abiola.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Besides you guys, are there any other Africans over here in Pakistan?
Yeah, we've got a lot of them. I mean, different countries. We have Nigerians, we have Burundians, we have Chakwal. Oh, sorry, not Chakwal. We have other from like I know some brothers from Kenya.
From Kenya?
Yeah, Tanzania. Also, I think was in contact with some brothers from Uganda as well.
Ugandans as well?
Yeah.
Ugandans, are you listening, brothers?
Yeah,
you guys are also here?
They are in Karachi. Yeah, they are here actually.
Islamic University, they will be.
Yeah, the Islamic University, yeah, as well. That
Islamic
we have the Somalians, we've got Ethiopians, Eritreans, you name it.
So many of my people, they always ask me, like, you know, my friends from Uganda, Karim, like, how would we be treated if we go to Pakistan? Because people have this concept that, you know, Africans are treated not like, actually mistreated actually. So as you both are here, you've been here more than 10 years.
Right. Yes, I think for me it was exciting. I came with my dad. And I think again, all fingers are not equal. That's the most take of this. So we had a textbook experience. I think for me personally, it's been a textbook experience in Pakistan, and I always say Pakistan is like a second home for me.
Wow.
Being that I came around when I was 17, 18 years old.
Wow.
And I'm 29 years of age now, so I've picked basically in Pakistan.
39.
Yes, he's 39.
For me, being in Pakistan or in other country, the experience is always amazing. Even if the experience is bad, I try to make it as good as possible. But I can say, like in Pakistan, it's my experience. Yeah, so far so good.
One other thing I wanted to add is like these guys are big TikTokers in Pakistan. They are very famous. Right now I was there with them and people started coming, taking pictures with them, getting all that love by the way.
It sounds much better when he say it now. I mean, I didn't bring my comb to.
It's like
that's true, by the way. That's true.
Lots of love been shown.
On a serious note, yes, actually there's a lot of love that I've seen, and I'm really happy to see that as well because I just witnessed it right now.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful, and that's what I'm saying. Like I've gotten more love in Pakistan than I would in my country right now. It's not because they don't like me there, but it's just like
no, but you're just being open.
I'm just here. Yeah, I've been in Pakistan more.
They don't. How can they do?
I saw a video on YouTube, some African getting married to Pakistani. So have you come across any, or do you know any Africans who get married to Pakistani?
No, why are you looking at me?
There's something fishy now.
Since he's looking at me, I mean, I cannot deny or accept the fact that there is something similar to that one, but what can I say? I'm still single. Hello, ladies. A lot of them actually. Even now, the place where I live, I think I live in the 6th floor. The 3rd floor, it was actually an incident. I was in the lift. Yeah, I saw one girl. She was a little bit, what can I say? Something was wrong with her. Not wrong in a way like it's
in a negative way, in a positive way.
You see, like Pakistan, but there are some person missing. So after interaction, the father is actually from Kenya.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
It's a Kenyan, yeah. There is one thing about Pakistan that I can say Africans should learn. It's about the hospitality or how to treat people. Because sometimes you meet somebody, you have no idea who they are, you don't even know them, but they will still greet you and they smile at you.
Offer you a cup of chai.
Really? That has happened to you? People offer you things?
Yeah. Till at the end you are, do I know you somewhere? Say, no, I don't. How come? So it's a natural. Yes. It's like I wish in Africa we had the same thing, like where somebody come, hi, how are you doing? Ask who he is or what they do after, but at least the first interaction should make another person.
The hospitality is like you say super in Pakistan.
Yes. About the negative comments, this one happened in every country because it also happened in Africa. When I'm in Africa, when I see somebody who doesn't look like me, it's a automatic. It will come up. You say something.
Right.
So some people mean it. Some other people is just how they are brought up.
Right.
They actually don't mean anything because I can speak the local language, maybe languages, maybe 2 or 3, something like this. Okay. Once you interact, it actually break that barrier. Then you guys end up, oh, okay, so this is one of us. So they think,
okay.
Once they know that you are,
so it's about perspective and and context as well.
True.
So like sometimes there are some maybe even some racial words that are used, but I understand the context. Okay, this is someone who doesn't have the exposure. It didn't really mean
people who are exposed to international people.
So I do my best to just educate, tell them about that. Yeah, but otherwise, deep down, they're lovely people.
Here we have to give shout out to people like or maybe tell people like a journalist or YouTubers, including him, you guys are the one who's supposed to bring those things.
Exactly.
Some people have no exposure, which I do understand because in my life, if I've never been with a white person or whatever the things, my first come say I will be because I know the colonizers.
Right.
So I don't have any positive words.
Positive words.
So you just automatically come out, but once you talk to the person, you say,
"Oh my God, this guy's different."
Yeah,
the world is getting together.
It was not the. It was like, oh, he's not the one that after like.
Yeah, who did this exactly? आप कितना सो गए यहाँ पे रहते हुए? I'm going to speak my local languages a few words just to.
बस हमारा तो 10 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया.
10 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया है. Oh my God, आपको भाई?
मैं अभी तकरीबन 12 साल हो गया पाकिस्तान.
12 साल हो गया.
आहो.
तो अभी तक शादी नहीं 12 साल में.
बस देख लिया उनको खोल रहे हूँ अभी भी मैं देखती हूँ. Oh my God.
नहीं शादी हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह जिस वक्त शादी हो जाएगा आपको बुलाएंगे.
जरूर. ये तो आपने आपका मेहमान भी हूँ और मेजबान भी हूँ और भाई भी हूँ.
हाँ ये लेकिन ये वादा मैंने कर सके शादी से पहले शादी के दिन बुलाएंगे या शादी के बाद बुलाएंगे
ये काम खराब है इसका. All right, okay. And you know Urdu and you know any other language?
I can understand Punjabi.
You can understand Punjabi.
I understand a bit of Pashto as well.
Oh, Pashto as well.
Yeah.
All right. What about you?
Yeah, those two languages. I know very less of Pashto. I understand Punjabi.
Punjabi.
And
की मतलब है थोड़ा यानी पंजाबी आंदी है?
आहो मैंने आंदी है.
पंजाबी आंदी है?
तो से पंजाबी हो?
Oh, I'm dead.
मैंने लगता है पाकिस्तानी नहीं है. ये वैसे भी मैंने देखा ये पूरा अफ्रीका है. This guy is from outside Pakistani, but from inside is African. So I think African, you guys have won something at least. You can keep him. Keep him with you.
When you're in Burundi, please, I can say you're welcome.
Oh, thank you so much.
Being here, I'm half over there.
Oh, really? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll be blessed.
Thank you.
All right.
You should visit Nigeria as well. Most populous country in Africa, giant of Africa, and I think we just got election there, so we open for a better Nigeria.
All right.
So if you go there, you have there's a lot of people waiting for you there.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. I'll
And
be
there's a
humbled.
lot of places. Go to the capital, Abuja, Lagos, Port Harcourt, lots of cities.
Where in Nigeria are you from?
I'm from Lagos.
Oh, you're from Lagos.
What do you say about people waiting for him? Can you be more specific? Like what kind of people?
Beautiful people.
Now I agree.
Yeah, so you should be there.
It was lovely meeting you guys. And actually, guys, I'm from Lahore. I stay in Lahore. I came to Islamabad all the way when I got to know that my African brothers are here in Pakistan. That's a saying in my language. You haven't seen Lahore, hasn't been born. So he's right about that. So you guys have been to Lahore, right?
Yeah, well, that's why we're here.
Okay, one more thing I have to say about Lahore. They are very famous on one thing, which I can actually confirm, and they say it's true. Breakfast, no any other city in Pakistan can compete with them.
Oh, wow.
The paratha and the chaniki Lahore, Allah.
And we're putting your pie.
Thank
You
so
just
much.
look at it, you are, my friend, you forget even to go
Now
back
I'm
to
hungry
Africa.
again.
One more message in Swahili. Huyu ndugu yetu huyu, yani mashallah ametoka fast kwa kilomita 230 au 250 kuja kututizama, na akija huko akirudia kwa Afrika, yani mchukue kama kiakete ndugu yetu, yani iko kama brother. Sasa ndio hiyo channel yake msubscribe na yani wapatie wengine wose watizame. Uyu rero n'intuze yavuye ahantu hari kure gose, ni kuvuga ibirometero 250 kuza kuturaba kugira ntuze video gutyo. Yaje nta kandi kazi rafise ngaha, yaraje kuturaba. Sasa video yiwe muyirabe, muyihereze n'abandi bantu, subscribe, mugire na like gutyo. Kuva ngiri muri mpuze muri Pakistan, no kuvuga ntibafise ibintuze by'ahandi kugira ngo nabirabura canka bera gutyo, twese tumeze kimwe gutyo n'intuze turabana gose. Excuse my Kirundi.
Mo dúpẹ́ gbogbo yẹn jọ ẹ subscribe sí channel arákùnrin yìí. Ó máa wá sí Nàìjíríà láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà. Àwọn tó bá dẹ̀ ti wá sí ìlú Nàìjíríà kí ẹ make sure wípé ẹ tọ́jú ẹ̀ dáadáa, because ọmọ dáadáa ni, ọmọ wa ni. So
Báwo ni, dáadáa ni.
Or a pigeon. Guys, make una go subscribe to this guy channel. This guy dey kampe, he dey chop eba, he go chop eba. बटन में सब जाके उसको सब्सक्राइब करो, बटन दबाओ और बेल आइकन दबाओ, कमेंट करो, शेयर करो। और क्या कर सकते हैं उसकी वीडियो के साथ।
सबसे अच्छा चीज है कि माशाल्लाह 250 किलोमीटर उधर आके सिर्फ मिलने के लिए we are so thankful कि इतने इज्जत मिला।
These guys are also actors, by the way.
Allah Taala उसको लंबी उम्र,
Thank you so much.
सेहतमंद और इंशाल्लाह सफर भी safe।
Thank you so much, guys. And I'll be leaving the links.
And by the way, आपने शादी किया?
शादी हुई है।
Yeah, shit. मैंने आपकी शादी नाइजीरिया से करवाई। Sorry, baby.
I want to thank you for your time. Guys, they were busy, but just for me, they came out. I'm so thankful to you. I'm so humbled.
No, mashallah. You're spreading awareness, which is very important in this day and time. And it's a global village, so we'll see a lot of integrations. And there's cultural fusion. That's the beauty of it. So seeing works like this is always impressive. And
thank you so much.
I think you guys should keep supporting, subscribe to the channel.
Exactly.
And yeah, understand that we're in one globe, in one home, and this our country.
And we are one. We are one. That's what I want to say.
Bottom line, we are just one. If I cut his hand now, I don't want to do that. You see, he'll bleed red. So,
and actually, the message and the video is just that we want love and we want peace and we want to be with each other. It's no boundary. Blood is same. We are just one love and one people, isn't it?
One love.
Okay, brother. Agar chakwal pe dekh raha ho Twadimir bani thora se leuri bej do.
I'm going to leave their links on my description. You need to follow them. They're very famous TikTokers. On TikTok, they have a lot of following. They're good actors. You need to follow them.
Thank you so much. Lots of
Peace
love.
and love.
Peace.
Don't wanna take it slow.